You the crazy.
Oh, Mingli, this is my jam.
You talking about the peanut butter egg?
Now you got me hungry.
Okay, we can get an egg roll.
When I walk into the club,
We in the club, not the club.
this is what I
What you see, we the only two people on the road.
everybody stops and stares at me.
Nobody looking at you but me.
And I ain't afraid to show it.
So what? Okay.
Okay.
I'm sexy and I know it.
Oh, put your hand on the window. You about to sexy when your hand on the window on a dad only 32 years old.
It's 32.
Yes, I'm 32 born 1980.
Alright, so, where you want to eat, Mingli?
I want to eat the Panda Express.
We going to McDonald's.
Do they got an egg roll? Oh no, look what you did.
Mingli, look what you did. You made me press my car to the gas station. What the heck wrong with you?
You the one chopping the car. I go get a Panda egg roll. You want nothing? You want
Give me a Coke.
You get the diet Coke, you need to get on the diet, okay?
You think you're going to go? Where you think you're going to take you back to some damn? Don't take us back to some damn.